Look, my Daddy Motors Longford. Just like to show you our 241 Corolla Hybrid Luna hatchback, finished in ultra silver, electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking, tinted glass, alloy wheels, front fogs, bodywork like new. Very spacious boot with safety kit, protective mat supplied. Reverse camera. So here in the back we have velour interior with isofix seats, loads of legroom, cup holders in the door cards, electric windows in the back, centre armrest, cup holders. So up front we have automatic transmission, centre armrest, cup holders, touchscreen radio, reverse camera, sat nav, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual climate control, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel, a pre-collision alert and lane assist. And this car has covered kilometres of just 90,000 with full Toyota service history. So that's our 241 Corolla Hybrid Luna hatchback. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they would gladly help you out. Thank you.